How to use TikTok Streaks feature on mobile. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through launching and maintaining streaks on TikTok via direct messages, including earning streak badges and optional streak pets. This tutorial is meant for iOS and Android both. For this tutorial, I'm using iOS device. If you're having Android, you can follow similar steps. So what you gotta do is head over to inbox and here click on the chat of any person you want to create a streak. So when you open the chat, what you gotta do is simply send them any message or sticker or anything, and the person will send you the same. So you gotta send them and the person has to reply you within 24 hours. And you gotta do this consistently for days. And after 2 days, you'll be able to see any icon appear next to their username. That indicates that your streak has begun along with the number. So you need to continue texting each other with stickers or any photos every day consistently for the streaks to grow. So if your streak is about to die, you can enable notifications. So in order to enable them, you're going to head over to profile, click on these 3 horizontal lines at the top right, click on settings and privacy, click on notifications, and here you need to enable the push notifications. So that is how you can use TikTok Streaks feature on mobile. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.